Hi, today we are looking at how they process raw human hair before it is made into an end product.
Well, once the hair is shaved off, it is collected and sold by the kilo in big bags for pennies on the dollar.
Okay, so the hair is sold. What happens next with the hair? What is the first thing they will do?
The first thing would be to thoroughly clean it to rid of dirt, grease, and more importantly, those pesky lice and the nits. Eliminating nits from human hair demands a significant effort, ensuring that every strand is free of those unwelcome hitchhikers. After cleaning, there are a few options of how to process the hair further. This depends on what quality the hair needs to be as an end product. Natural colors do not have to be bleached and colored, but in some cases they still give the hair a silicone treatment to make it more appealing and smooth. Although the silicone is disappearing slowly.
Hi, today we are looking at how they process raw human hair before it is made into an end product.